All right, we have quite the life reset to-do list to do today. Hello, welcome back. I feel like I have just been in such a whirlwind between Tim and I's honeymoon back at the end of September / early October, and then we were just in Miami for Taylor Swift. If you don't know, I'm from Connecticut, so we did travel to Miami. It has just been so hectic, so much traveling. I'm so grateful for it, so unbelievably grateful for all the travel that we've been able to do, but I'm also ready to just like have our life reset, stay at home. Actually, the weekend that you're watching this, we are away on one more trip. It's not anything crazy though. Horrible hand tan, can you see that? A couple of our friends have a house up in Vermont, so we're gonna be going to spend the weekend with them this weekend, which I'm very excited about. But then after that, I think I'm like so excited to just have a handful of weekends where we could just stay home and get stuff done and relax and chill and, you know, decorate for Christmas. For today's video, I have so many things to just check off my life admin to-do list, home to-do list, cleaning, organizing, all that kind of a thing. I've got a list on my phone, so I'm gonna read you. We are gonna do a base clean of the house. I have to finish unpacking. I still have some things that are still packed up from our trip. I have tons of laundry to do. I want to do a closet clean out and then switching out my summer clothes with my fall and winter clothes. I've not done that yet. I typically do that more towards the beginning of October, but we're gonna get it done. Absolutely. Hold me to this. I need to wash my makeup brushes. It has been way too long since I've done that, so we're gonna wash my makeup brushes. A couple things outside of the house. I have some Amazon returns, so we have to go to Staples to drop those off. I have to go to the post office. Yes, you are perfect. I love you so much. If you're new here, this is Callie, the best baby ever. That's kind of a little inside scoop. A big stretch. I guess you're over this. Can you say hi? Long story short, we have a lot to get done. We're gonna get started with the cleaning though, because I just cannot handle, like when my house is messy, my mind is messy. We're definitely not gonna get through all the cleaning right now. It's currently 7:37, so we do have a little bit of time though. So I think I wanna try and start upstairs and work our way downstairs. So we'll go do the bedroom and the upstairs bathroom, and then maybe we'll do the kitchen and the living room during lunch. A clean bedroom feels so nice. The bathroom, that's what we're gonna do right now before we have to go downstairs and start work for the day. We are in a time crunch, but that's okay. This is gonna motivate us more. All right, it's currently 12:45-ish. It's been a much crazier day than I originally anticipated. Originally, I wanted to start cleaning at like literally 12 o'clock. That did not happen. So it's now 12:45. We got 15 minutes, but I feel like we can get the kitchen done. I'll be honest, because I have not a lot of time, filming myself doing all the dishes is stressing me out. I know that may not make any sense, but it is. So we're just gonna do like a quick poop and then it's all gonna be clean. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! So much better. We're like this close to being done. And all clean with 2 minutes to spare. It's 12:58. I'm gonna go to my meeting and I'll see you afterwards or after the workday when we'll come back, regroup, and go clean the living room. No matter how many times I clean my living room or watch really any room in my house go from messy to clean, I always get the same like dopamine rush when everything is put back together and in its place again. Even though you would think it's like, okay, you've seen it clean a million times. Why does it make you that happy? But it still does. Even watching these clips of like my living room going from, I mean, it wasn't messy, but like, you know, not really super tidy to now really put together and cozy looking just brings me an unimaginable amount of joy. And I think that's one of the little secrets to being happier in life is just appreciating the simple things like having a clean living room after you've cleaned it. Can I make a confession? This is what I've been listening to. I know. It's October 22nd, but I just was really feeling Christmas music, and this just puts me in the best mood. Do you like the Christmas music? Are you excited for Christmas? Are you excited for Christmas? I was telling Tim last night, I think I'm going to decorate for Christmas a little differently. Not in terms of like the decor. I mean, I'm sure I always kind of switch that up, but in terms of like the order that I do things, we're going to do it a little bit differently. Something that I've literally never done in all my years of decorating for Christmas. And yes, Christmas decorating videos will be coming very soon. Very soon. And when I say I have a lot of laundry, I mean a lot of laundry. And our first load is towels. And then we have 2 full baskets of clothes. And I have another load in the dryer currently, but I probably won't fold that tonight. Currently 7:36. Yes, I am still listening to Christmas music. After the last clip, Tim got home, we had dinner, and then I went up to take a shower, as you can see, and now I'm gonna fold laundry while he takes a bath. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. Hello and welcome to the next day. We are in the closet, the very messy closet that needs a lot of work, and we are going to spend this morning cleaning out the closet, or at least starting to. I will say I love having a giant mirror in here. I'm like stepping on empty laundry baskets, just because it does make the whole room feel so much bigger. As far as all of this goes, it's very stressful to me. And 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So much better. All right, things are a little bit more organized. And now I think I'm literally going to go start section by section. Maybe we'll start with the dresses. A lot of these are actually a lot of dresses I've worn to weddings that I definitely don't need to have in here. And I'm going to put these in the guest room closet just because there's more room in there. I guess I'm taking them all out. A handful of these I think I'm actually going to give away, so I'm going to lay them on the bed and then we'll decide what is going in storage for next year and what I'm going to be giving away. I guess maybe we should go through that first. I feel good so far about, we have like a decent amount in here. And then I think soon I want to have my younger sisters over. If you don't know, I have 2 younger sisters, Victoria who's 22 and Annie who is 25, and I'm 29, fun fact. And if they'll have them come over, a ton of clothes that I want to give away, but before I bring them to like a donation center, I'll let my sisters go through them and see if they want anything. These are all t-shirts and tank tops. I don't need this many. Also, I'm listening or watching Michelle Reed's vlog. That's what you can hear in the background. I'm feeling really great about the amount of stuff that we have been removing from the closet. I got rid of, this whole thing was filled with shirts and we need a whole less one now, and the other ones aren't even as full as they were before. So between stuff that I'm going to give away and then stuff that we put in for like summer and spring or whatever, we're doing really great, right baby? All my workout clothes, that's not to say that I don't, like, I need to get back into working out in the gym. I have not been going, but I really do want to because I know weightlifting is unbelievably important, especially as I am getting closer to 30, and I mean, not that that's old by any means, but you know, they talk about the weightlifting and the muscle that you build when you're younger really helps you to stay strong and mobile and all of that into your older years. So I know, like, not just for wanting to like look toned and everything. It is funny, I've noticed as I've gotten older that my motivation to go to the gym comes way less from like how it makes me look and way more from just wanting to feel good physically, like my muscles, I've been noticing my hip has been bothering me. I'll have like some joint pains and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how, you know, getting closer to 30, I'm like, my body feels like it's falling apart now. That's dramatic, but it really is so unbelievably important to keep your muscles strong as you get older. But anyways, with all that being said, I do not need a million workout clothes like I currently have. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna be a little bit more real with myself as far as like what workout clothes I actually wear and which ones I don't. You're gonna be shocked by how many workout clothes I have for the amount that I don't go to the gym. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. This is totally going to be reorganized. I think the t-shirts are going to end up going down there. And then this is where a lot of my sweaters are going to go. I guess I do need to go through this because some of this I definitely can get rid of. Not too much that I'm giving away, but I do have a few things. Okay, so I do actually have to go get to work in a minute. Right, Cal? It's like 8:50, so we're gonna go start work for the day. I did not realize how fast the time was going by. I feel like we were on a roll and we got a lot done, which I'm really, really grateful for. But I think we're gonna have to regroup this evening. You wagging your tail? Big stretch, big stretch. All we really have to do left is rearrange what's already in there and then pull out my fall sweaters and add those, and then we're pretty much good. So I'm so excited. We're making great progress. All right, I'll see you later this evening. Hello again. If you can tell by the window, it is now nighttime. It is currently 7:30 p.m. and we are finally ready to continue our closet project. I cannot believe it's been a whole day. Wow. Basically, to start off, all the things that are hanging in the closet currently are going to stay hung in the closet, but I'm going to rearrange them and then we'll go get my thing of sweaters and bring those in as well. We got our 2 vacuum bags of fall clothes. Clearly, this one did not stay closed. It got a hole in it, so that's annoying, but whatever. This one, it worked well. This one also has a ton of Tim's pants. That last spring when I put all this stuff in here, these were pants that like, he was like, I don't really wear that often, but save them for the winter or whatever, so I'll take those out too. This bag that has a mini hole in it, I'm going to use this as a to fill with more giveaway stuff. I cannot put into words how amazing it feels to have this done. And I'm super excited to have my sisters come over. Maybe I'll do like a little dinner and going through clothes night or something. Literally this, that, and that are all filled with clothes that I'm giving away. Those are all like summer and spring clothes that I'm gonna put into storage, but I just put in that basket for now. And then the moment of truth. Ta-da! Look how much better this looks. I have my robe hung up there, but I have all my sweaters here, my sweatshirts. These are like my longer sweaters, and then some more sweaters and shirts and stuff, a few short sleeve shirts. I love this. I'll have it linked below. I got it from Amazon, but you can like slide in all of your different leggings. To be honest, I probably should go through this because I never wear a handful of these, but for now, I think we've done enough. And honestly, now it's 8:19 p.m. I think Tim is downstairs, so I'm gonna go tell him that he's allowed to come back upstairs because I'm done. I'm gonna wash my face and then we're gonna get in bed and just chill. Say hi, baby. I'm trying to think what else we have. I'm pretty sure, I know we have to clean out the fridge. I know we have to wash my makeup brushes, and then we have to run a couple errands tomorrow. All right, I will see you in the morning. It is not the morning. It is very much so the evening, but that is okay. It's been a much more hectic day than I initially thought. This morning I actually spent editing everything up until this point in this video, so I'm very happy that I have that done. And then I worked for my full-time job all day, and now it is time to finish off our to-do list. We're gonna wash these makeup brushes, and then we're gonna go run our errands. And I think we're gonna take Callie for a WA, okay? Super simple. I just use this like mat that I got from Amazon, and it's got all different materials kind of thing. And then this is the Eco Tools brush cleaner. Magic duo in my opinion. You're gonna listen to music while I do this because I want to listen to music myself. Feels so good to have this done. I'm gonna let these dry probably overnight. Check that off the to-do list, and now we're gonna go tell Callie that it's time to go for a walk and a car ride because we have a few errands to run. Hey, Callie. She already knows I'm gonna say something exciting. Would you maybe want to go? Would you want to go for a car ride? Is that a yes? That's a yes. You want to go for a car ride? Yay! To go for a walk. Good job. Hold on. This is like the harness that I have her wear whenever she's in the car because I attach it back here to her little seatbelt. So she now associates this with the car. You gonna go for car ride? Oh, you gonna go for car ride? Yay! For our car to-do list, we're first gonna go take Callie for a walk, tire her out. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Amazon returns for things that I had ordered from Amazon thinking that I might wear it to the Taylor Swift concert, but then I didn't end up wearing. Tim got his shirt in 2 sizes, that's the size that didn't fit, and then a few other things that I didn't end up wearing, so we're gonna return those. I go to the post office to mail this card, and I also actually have to stop off at the vet to pick up a supplement for Callie that the vet recommended. I don't know why she does this. I have her whole bed for her there, but then she's over in the corner. Why do you do that? Okay, let's go. I swear this is one of the most beneficial forms of therapy for me. Just me and Callie walking, listening to some Taylor Swift in my headphones and enjoying this fresh air. It's beautiful. It's like 60 degrees. Of course, Callie had to use the bathroom right at the beginning of our walk, and there are no garbage cans for a little bit. So now we get to hold this the whole time. Don't love carrying this, but that's okay because we're not going to be that person that leaves her business for somebody else. Seeing those horses is the absolute best part of this walk. It brings me so much joy every time. It's windy. All right, we are making great progress, right, Cal? Now we just have to go return these boxes and we're gonna be all set.